Master, a treasure chest. We shall have to find a way to reach it.
Oi there, friend. All I ask is that you hear my request. What have you got to lose? My thanks, sir. As to the matter at hand, it concerns my... I've been holding off service on account of all the monsters on the road. But now I feel prepared. Only trouble is, there are still monsters about, and that's where you come in. See, I've got a letter here from Lady Margit, the Watchhead's. I'd like you to accompany the cart in my stead and see to it that the letter reaches its recipient. What say you, friend? Splendid! I knew I was right to put my... Now, the carts only depart at certain hours of the day, but I find that time flies when I take a seat at the station to wait. And mind you, don't forget to pay your way before you board. That's standard practice. Each cart travels with an escort of trained soldiers, see? In case it encounters... So anyone thinking of riding for free will have to take the issue up. But enough of my lecturing. Just make sure that letter gets to Sir Leonard. Oh, and I'll pay your fare this time, seeing as you're doing me a favour, and come find me when you've delivered that letter. I'll be waiting to hear from you.
We need only deliver it to the intended recipient.
This ox cart's bound for I'll not take you anywhere till I've had my due.
Now, where was I bound again?
An ox cart ought to make our journey easier.
Walking everywhere is certainly tiring.
We have reached... These things happen.
Aye, what can I do for you? Ah, a letter from Lady Margit, you say? It's a fair way you've come then. She's a kindly sort, I must say. We met when I worked with her husband, Sir Gregor, on one occasion. Now she's taken to inquiring after my health at the turn of every...
Shall we report our results?
Where are you going?
If our destination is a distant one, travel by ox cart might be worth considering.
Walking everywhere is certainly tiring.
This ox cart's bound for I'll not take you anywhere till I've had my due.
I've just recalled a little tidbit I heard from the locals.
Regarding the Vermundian military, yes?
Ah, you returned. How did you fetch? Splendid! You've been an immense... The cart reached its destination, safe and sound, and from the
Ox carts seem a convenient choice for longer journeys.